Ladies and gentlemen, welcome all the guests joining our webinar, How to Optimize Costs for New Online Retailers. I'm Rachel and I will be your host today. Our topic today is for online retailers. Whether you are planning to open a shop or already have your own store, the meeting today is absolutely not a waste of time. To start an online store, people often think about how much money to invest to be able to build the store. In actuality, the money issue is not that important. So today we will talk about how to save money and effectively build a store for online retailers. I'm very delighted to welcome our speaker today, Mr. Dat Nguyen. He's the Sales and Marketing Director at DEHA. So Dat, can you please introduce a little bit about yourself?
Hi Rachel, I'm good. Hi everyone, I'm Dat, Director of the Sales and Marketing at DEHA. Thank you for inviting me today. I hope that my 10 years experience in the e-commerce can satisfy your all questions.
I'm wondering if you often buy goods online?
I'm not, but my wife loves it. My wife orders from Shopee every day.
So e-commerce platforms have more and more campaigns to attract buyers, right? I remember 5 or 6 years ago, online shopping was very small, but now a series of e-commerce platforms with all the super sales days like Valentine or March 3rd have made me spend too much money on online shopping.
That's right. For example, instead of going to Starbucks, we can order it from East Ave or other food order platforms like GrabFood or Beemin. Due to the growth of the e-commerce, the buying habit of the customer have changed a lot.
It's true, isn't it? It's visible that the e-commerce sector is becoming stronger year by year. People's shopping habits change quickly too. This also affects most industries, including online shopping.
Correct. Online sales are increasing both in volume and value. In fact, it's predicted that the value of the worldwide e-commerce sales will top $7 trillion in 2024. Countries in the Asia-Pacific region, South America, are currently witnessing the fastest growth in the e-commerce sector. This is due to the dynamic adoption of new technologies, as well as the demographic structure of these countries. There are simply more young people than older citizens. The new generation are more tech-savvy and are likely to buy things online rather than offline. Although online shopping has been present in 1995, it wasn't until recently that the number of digital shoppers exceeded those who shopped exclusively at the physical store. Over 2 billion shoppers, or 27% people in the world, now buy online, which is a significant increase from just a few years ago. According to estimation, there are currently between 12 and 24 million online retailers in the world. Some are opening every day, while others are closing, but overall, the growth is very consistent. Incidentally, the majority of the online stores are powered by the WooCommerce, Shopify, and WordPress.
So, based on these numbers, what is your opinion or predictions about e-commerce today?
These numbers may seem overwhelmingly high, but people are willing to spend more and more money online. It's a real gold rush for online business owners. Moreover, the e-commerce market will continue to grow almost rapidly in the next few years. Before the end of this decade, experts predict that the worldwide e-commerce revenues will double.
If e-commerce grows so fast, do you have any advice for retailers building their own shops?
If you are a retailer, how can you adapt your business to the ever-changing trends of online shopping? How do you build a strong e-commerce based on accurate data? As earlier said, the e-commerce market is growing. What you need to do is create a different position for your online store. Building your own website for your store seems like a thing that's not necessary, but has a solid foothold for the long term. With your own website, your store creates a certain reputation. The sales website is a platform that offers details and photographs of the product in the detailed and professional manner, demonstrating the practice of the organization. Customers may know more about your company and items on your website. And if they highly think of you, they will have a good impression and then make a quick decision. Website builders are one of the perfect solutions for individuals, entrepreneurs, and the small businesses to start a website without hiring a developer. However, finding the best website builder can be tricky for beginners. There are a ton of website builders available, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix. Where should I start? How can I build an effective website? Where can I have my first sales? How much money does it cost to build a shop myself? There are too many questions when you start an online store. In this webinar, we will walk you through the steps of creating a website and optimizing it. To create your new website, the majority of website builders include a simple drag and drop user interface. Before making your final choice, you have a trial time to test the platform to see if it fits to your store or not.
I see you mentioned website builders, and to my knowledge, that is the first step for any retailers who wants to open an online shops, right? So can you tell us some popular platforms? In your opinions, are they easy to use for beginners?
I can name some popular platforms. For example, Shopify, GoDaddy, Wix, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. That are the platforms very easy to start on.
Could you please tell us more about each platforms?
First is Shopify, a popular e-commerce website builder designed specifically for online store and e-commerce websites. It powers millions of online stores across 175 different countries. Over $400 billion worth of the products have been sold on Shopify's platform. According to our expert research, 4.4% of all websites on the internet are using Shopify as their e-commerce website builder. There are some pros and cons when you consider to use Shopify. First, pros. Shopify is an all-in-one full hosted e-commerce software, which means you don't have to worry about managing software, installing updates, or keeping backups. Shopify does all that for you. Second, it offers an integrated payment solution called Shopify Payments, which lets you accept credit cards. You can also add a third-party payment gateway to accept payments, for example, PayPal. Shopify comes with full inventory management, unlimited products, powerful analytics, and easy marketing solution, all neatly wrapped under one roof. They have hundreds of designs to choose from, and you will not have to use code much. With this intuitive drag and drop interface, Shopify makes it super easy to create a full-fledged online store. They also offer installed POS, or the points of sale, which allows you to sell products at your location while accepting all credit cards and take advantage of Shopify's inventory, shipping, marketing, and analytic management tools. Also, it has cons. Shopify prefers you to use its Shopify payment platform. If you want to use your own payments processing solution, they will charge an additional 2% transaction fee. If you ever want to move your website away from Shopify, you will find it quite difficult to do. The second platform I want to introduce today is the GoDaddy. The GoDaddy is one of the largest domain name register and web hosting service provider in the world. While many business owners use GoDaddy to host WordPress website, they also offer a simple online website builder for those who don't want to use WordPress. Of course, the pros of GoDaddy is it is very simple, it's easy tool to create a professional looking website. It comes preloaded with several ready-to-use blogs that you can drag and drop to build different layouts. It also has an integrated photo library with professional image from Getty Photography that you can use on your website. You can also upload your own photos and create image galleries. Second, the GoDaddy website builder works on the smaller screens too. This allows you to work on your website on to go. This allows you to work on your website on the go using your mobile phone or tablet. Of course, there are some cons that you have to consider while using GoDaddy. First, it is as feature-rich and flexible as most other website builders on this list. It offers a limited set of features with fewer design options. Second, it is quite difficult to move your website from the GoDaddy website builder to WordPress. And the third, GoDaddy website builder can be used for a simple website with a few pages. However, it's not as a good choice to build content-rich website. The third is Wix, another popular cloud-based website builder software. You can build your company's website in a matter of the minutes thanks to Wix artificial design intelligence, or invest a little more time and create a highly customized, modern and professional-looking website through their first-class platform. And the best part, the drag-and-drop builder requires no experience with or knowledge of code. If you are looking for the website builder that has it all, which truly is the best option. But take note, whilst the innovative tools and features that are consistently being added take a hard work out of the website creation process, you should be prepared to spend more time familiarizing yourself with all of these functionalities to get the most out of the Wix platform. The pros of using Wix, it has over 500 templates to choose. Wix Code gives users access to their website's code to make advanced customizations to their site. While this rank of the professional-looking templates as well as a blank canvas editor for design flexibility. Next, Wix constantly updates its website builder with new elements, tools, and features. Comprehensive app market full of add-ons and integration to enhance your website. The cons, of course, you cannot change your site template after you begin editing your site. Wix does not offer content export functionality, and some users may overwhelmed by Wix's huge range of features. Users should be prepared to take the time to learn and understand the platform before building their website. Next is BigCommerce. BigCommerce is an all-in-one e-commerce solution for selling physical and digital goods online. This means that it provides everything you need: web hosting, the database for your products, the tool for designing your storefront, plus inventory management, marketing tools, shipping and tax calculations, and much more. BigCommerce is also a SaaS, or Software as a Service platform. This means with BigCommerce, you don't need to download any software. Everything is done through the browser on your computer or the BigCommerce apps on your mobile device. There are some pros that you can consider while using BigCommerce. BigCommerce includes more features as standard than any other e-commerce website builder. This will save you a lot of extra money that you would otherwise have to spend on third-party apps. Adding product options and variants is very easy and very flexible. Unlike other alternatives, there's almost no limit on the number of the product variants you can create. BigCommerce is a suitable e-commerce platform for both small and big stores. Additionally, if your online store project grows, BigCommerce will comfortably grow with it. And of course, there are some cons of BigCommerce. Each BigCommerce plan comes with an annual sales threshold. In other words, you'll be automatically upgraded to the higher plan if the annual sales limit is exceeded. This can lead to higher than expected costs. Unlike their competitors, BigCommerce doesn't provide any email marketing tools at all. You need to pay for a third-party app. If you want to sell subscription or take recurring payments, you need to pay for a third-party app. There is no multi-language option built-in feature of the BigCommerce. The only way of doing this is via a third-party app. The last platform I want to introduce today is WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce website builder to start an online store. It is an open source e-commerce software built on top of the WordPress. According to our expert research, 8.8% of all websites on the internet are using WooCommerce as their e-commerce website builder. Some benefits that you can consider when using WooCommerce. First, you can accept online payment using WooCommerce payments or integrate with other 83 other payments options, including Stripe, PayPal, Square, Authorize.net, Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. WooCommerce doesn't charge extra transaction fee if you choose to use other payment solution. They also offer dozens of the extensions to help you with shipping, delivering, fulfillment, sales tax management, inventory management, and just about every aspect of store management. WooCommerce seamlessly integrates with all popular email marketing services, analytic platform, live chat software, help desk software, and conversion optimization tools. There are some disadvantages while using WooCommerce. First, WooCommerce is a self-hosted e-commerce platform, which means you will need to familiarize yourself with a new system. You will be responsible for keeping WooCommerce updated, creating website backups, and performing routine website maintenance tasks. Most of the tasks can be automated by WooCommerce hosting provider like SiteWorld, Bluehost, WordPress Engine, and others. Another downside of WooCommerce is that there is no customer support offered by WooCommerce itself. If you run into any problems with your store, you will need to find help from the community or hire someone to help you to fix issues.
What helpful information. So aside from platforms, what other important factors do you believe online retailers should consider?
Sure, there are other factors that the new online retailers need to consider. First is domain. If your website has a very wide free domain extension, it may have a problem ranking on Google. Google gives priority to the TLDs. While people are attracted to amazing content, they may fear of the click on the wide-looking domain for safety reasons. We recommend that you use a simple domain name so that the customer can easily find your store. The more popular the domain name, the more expensive it is, but the search rate is also higher. Let's take a look at the sum of the prices from the most popular domain name register.
Do you have any advice for choosing the domain name?
When we hear a domain or business name for the first time, we automatically interpret it as a .com domain because it's the extension we're most accustomed to. So the .com is usually the best choice because it's more familiar. Every country's geographical area has its own two-letter code that define its country's called top-level domain, some of the common CC. Every country's geographical area has its own two-letter code that define its country called top-level domain. For example, .US for the United States, .UK for the United Kingdom, .AU for Australia, .SG for Singapore. Search engines like Google always try to serve content that is relevant to users, along with showing sites located in the countries of the user. They also give priority to websites using the TLDs that is also related to your SEO value. Using a TLD increasing your SEO value for countries-based search results. TLDs are the most powerful way to rank a website in a certain country organically. The second factor is the web hosting. Hosting is supported by platforms such as Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, and GoDaddy. However, if you want to use WooCommerce, you should be familiar with web hosting, the limitation of the free website hosting. If you choose the free hosting route, be prepared for some common issues that come along with it. Even the best free hosting tends to be fairly unstable, which can result in downtime. Also, providers typically place a restriction on the storage space and bandwidth, limited your website growth and traffic capacity. Your personal website or business website may also have slow performance. Sharing host, another aspect. Shared hosting is where most people start their web hosting journey. Of the 4 shared host providers, HostGator offers the great shared hosting plans. It offers unlimited bandwidth on own plans. The second hosting is the VPS hosting. VPS hosting is the next step up from the shared web hosting when traffic started to increase on your website. Of our top 4 VPS hosting providers, Bluehost may not have the cheapest VPS hosting plan at $23.99 per month, but it is very feature-rich and comes with a free IP address and the rare unlimited domain. Next is cloud hosting. The cloud hosting is what you turn to when even the slightest downtime could provide photo to your business. The best cloud hosting provider makes sure there's always a server on hand ready to provide your website to the world.
According to the information you have shared, there are many references to the platform as well as open source. There are many platform providers who are trusted by many online retailers due to their convenience and availability at the moment. In your opinion, should we use platform or open source for building website for our business?
To compare platform versus the open source, we have to compare some of these factors. First is the ease of use. Platforms make it pretty simple to build an online store. Own package come with hosting, SSL, and domains. You must purchase a domain, hosting, and SSL when using open source e-commerce software. For small business, the average cost will be from $15 to $30 for small businesses, and for medium-sized enterprise, $30 to $100, and for large, high-traffic business is over $100. You don't have to worry about the platform-related issues, including how to install, how frequently to update, security, performance, backup, and error difficulty. As opposed to open source e-commerce software, which requires manual installation, update, backup, and security. As a result, you must possess a particular level of technical understanding. Another thing is the scalability and the growth. With platforms, when your store expanded more, you just need to upgrade by purchasing higher package. Their platform is designed to help you with security, backup, and updates. This will allow you to focus less on technical concerns and more on the business. On the other hand, the cost will be higher. Make sure your revenues are sufficient to pay for this expense. Another benefit of this situation is that you will not have to pay for technical labor. When using open source e-commerce software, you must handle all problems: hosting, backup, security. You will need to increase your hosting later on when your online sales website becomes larger in order to handle heavy traffic. The advantage is that you have the complete control over the website and additional alternatives. However, you will need to pay attention to extra issues like performance issues and hacker attacks. The third is a support team. A platform support team is available by phone, email, Twitter, and the live chat 24/7. They provide detailed video tutorials as well as a community for those who enjoy tinkering. How to guys basic. Although you can discover documents and lessons online for open source e-commerce software, you will have to invest time sorting through the information and begin problem solving on your own. So, in order to avoid wasting time and achieve maximum efficiency for your website, we recommend using multiple platforms.
So, based on your own experience, do you have any advice for today's online retailers?
With 7 years of the IT experience, we suggest you use Shopify. This has a reasonable price and an excellent customer service rating. Customers can choose from the variety of the combos to find the best deal. Shopify is suitable even if you want to build a separate website for your small store or large business. Instead of wasting time and money building your website without knowing whether it will be effective, you can consider our services. We offer a full services website building platform for you here.
What a convenience platform. I'm wondering if you could give more detail on the advantages of using Shopify.
We recommend Shopify because, first, it's the end-to-end integration with the Google Ads. With Shopify, you can easily create your website and fully integrate it with all of the toolsets that you require, such as Google Ads and its ecosystem. The second is it has plenty of the themes. You can select from over 30 plus professional templates to customize the look of your online store. The themes templates cover a wide range of industries and are created by some of the world's most renowned designers. The third is tracking customer data. The Shopify provides the Shopify Analytics track that the key data provides insight into the performance of your online store and audience behaviors. Fourth, you can add coupons or discount code. All of the plans of the Shopify include discount codes. Third, making it easier for you to offer discount codes and discount coupons to customers on the products in your store. Fifth, add a buy button on non-Shopify sites. This is the simple shortcut for selling your products or services that can even include pictures, description, discount, and prices. Along with Shopify Chat, the platform also allows easy integration with the various live chat applications. Seventh, create your own website with a gift card. You can give away a free gift card with a fixed value to your existing users as a gift, promotion, store credit, or reward. Is the analytic reporting. With the analytic report of the Shopify, you can quickly and easily review the store activity, customer behavior, and more. You can also outline customer reports as per your need. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform used by the 1.75 million sellers, according to HubSpot's research. Over 4.4 million websites globally use Shopify as of 2023. Shopify is used in over 175 countries globally. Over 7,000 applications are available in the Shopify App Store to assist businesses in customizing their stores. Last year, Shopify processed $79.5 billion in order value. As of January of 2023, Shopify has a market cap of $45.73 billion. Shopify has a workforce of more than 7 people. And the Shopify theme store offers over 100 free and premium themes.
Thanks for all your sharing. I think we have some questions from our guests today. Let's move to the Q&A sections.